All right, hello lovely people. It is Monday today and I do hope that you had a great start to the week. It is 13 degrees today and it's very springy. I'm loving the weather, nice and sunny as you can see outside, and I've decided to give the mountain a go. It is time to tone down, lose some weight, get into that summer shape. So yeah, very excited. I don't know how it will go. It's a bit muddy, might be a bit of snow, but let's see if I'll be able to show you the waterfall today. Let's go. It's quite chilly, yes, but I'll be warming up. Some traces of snow early on. The absolute best way to start the day. It's getting more icy, more snowy, so gotta take it easy and slow, but awesome so far. Yeah, we just keep going. Just be careful, huh? Don't want to get injured now before the travel season. So yeah, awesome, best cardio in the world, by far. The best way to kick off a Monday and to start losing some weight. Just the beauty, sheer beauty of the mountain. It's just incredible. Yeah, just a few obstacles here and there. Whew. Yeah, gotta be careful not to trip up, not to lose our balance. Yeah, easy to get injured. But I'm willing to take the risk and go all the way up and check out one of my favorite places in the world, and one of the reasons I wouldn't swap my city for any other city in the world. This is getting challenging. There is a lot of ice on the path. I might need to find myself another Gandalf stick. Yes, I got a Gandalf stick, so we keep going. Woo, not too long to go now. And that's the city down there, Sofia. And we're really high up in the mountain now. All right, still going strong. It is getting really tricky, and I'm a little bit worried how I will get down. It is very icy, so I gotta be very careful. But look at this. You can start seeing it. There it is. And we'll soon be there, I hope. And there we go. It's actually quite small. I was expecting it to be a bit bigger, but yeah. Well, climate change, but it's still very, very beautiful. We made it! We've officially made it! What a beauty! Woo! It's an awesome journey up, and now it is time to make my way back down, which will be interesting. But I hope you enjoyed this little trip up to the Boyana Waterfalls, and I'll be climbing this zone a lot, hopefully getting very fit. So once again, I wish you all a wonderful start to the week, and I'll see you around. Stan here, signing out.